Welcome to all. In today's session we will discuss about input and output functions. So when a C program is started, operating system opens three files and provides pointer for them, which are declared in stdio.h. The standard files are standard input file, the file pointer is stdin, and the connected device as keyboard. The second standard file is standard output, and the file pointer is stdout, and the connected device is screen. The third standard file is standard error, and the pointer is stderr, and connected device is screen. stdin and stdout can be redirected to files, means for taking the input and for giving the output purpose. getC and putC function. getC function returns the next character from a file. File pointer fp, this is the file pointer. File pointer fp tells it from which file. It returns end of file for end of file or error. putC, putC writes the character c, this character. putC write the character c to the file fp and returns the character return or end of file if an error occurs. getChar and putChar function. getChar function reads the next available character from the screen and returns it as an integer. putChar, it puts the passed character on the screen and returns the same character. So it is for it reads from screen and it passed on the screen. gets and puts function. Gets function read a line from stdin into the buffer pointed by s until either terminating new line or end of file. puts writes the s and a traveling new line to stdout. Next functions are scanf and printf function. Scanf function reads the input from the standard input stream stdin according to the format provided. printf writes the output to the standard output stream stdout according to the format provided. fscanf and fprintf functions, these are identical to scanf and printf, used for formatted input and output of the files. The first argument is a file pointer. fscanf stops reading after encountering the first space character. So this is the syntax fscanf. The first argument is a file pointer in fprintf and as well as in fscanf. fputc and fgetc. fputc, it writes the character value of c to the output stream referenced by fp, this file pointer. It returns the return character on success. It returns an EOF if there is any error. fgetc, it reads a character from the input file referred by fp. It returns the character read on success. It returns EOF if there is any error. fputs and fprintf function, it writes the string s to the output stream referenced by pointer fp. It returns a non-negative value on success. It returns EOF in case of any error. fgets, it reads up to n-1 characters from the input stream referenced by fp. It copies the read string into the buffer, appending a null character to terminate the string. So some of these functions we have used in our previous videos or lectures, and some of these functions we will use in our coming lectures, which are based on file system. So we will write into the file and we will read from the file by using some functions. So thank you very much for listening me carefully and sincerely.